Turn up the headphones a little bit. Hey, ISO, let's get it.
Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm bout. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping.
Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real day. Stay Tommy'd up, tryna build it up, tryna count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us.
I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the Fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate. Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm bout. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping.
We actually got a little bit delayed on getting the brakes done, only because I had shipping issues with my caliper tool. I know I could have done it by hand, but I want to make sure, I just want to do it the right way using the correct tools. So I was delayed a little bit. So it is my day off and we're going to continue working on the brakes. But let me show you the tool I was waiting for, and that's this guy here. And basically this is what allows me to push the piston back inside the calipers versus just kind of using my hands. Like I said in my last video, I like to use tools that make the jobs much easier. It was only 20 bucks and it came with these cool hangers for the calipers. So whether I'll need to use these, I don't know. I guess we'll find that out as we do the install. Also guys, this is what I was talking about. This is called the Track Armor. It's a track day paint protection and more. I did order the 6" by 100 feet, and this is what it comes with. It comes with a squeegee with what feels like a felt on the end. That way you can roll out the air bubbles. But here's what it looks like. I don't know if this is like PPF or a variation of it. And this is something guys can use when you guys are driving the shows, especially if you're driving quite a distance and you don't want any rock chips. Instead of using blue painter's tape, you can use this. And I think this is what I'm going to start using now every time I go down to Columbus or any of the car shows not within my local driving here, just because when I'm driving on the road I can hear stuff hitting the car, and that could be from semis cutting in front of me or other cars in front of me. So we'll see. I want to see how easy it is to put this on and take off. Hopefully it's not a pain to take off. And by looking at the instructions, I don't think I need to use a heat gun or anything. I could just apply this like a sticker. So basically guys, I'm going to use this just to get most of the hood done. I won't do the headlights. Maybe I will. I'm not sure how much see-through I'll be able to use on that, but maybe I'll do that just to protect the headlights. But I'll definitely hit all this right here. Like I said, the front bumper doesn't need to be done because I do already have PPF on it. Mirror caps already have PPF, but I do want to hit this area. And for the back, this right here, just to prevent like rocks and stuff, because I notice I always have to use a clay bar to get most of the contaminants. You can see already there. I'm not doing the whole car, just areas that I know that I'll probably get hit with rocks. Primarily the fenders and the hood, and maybe just that top part. I'm just looking to see if there's anything else I should do. Maybe the canards. Maybe I'll hit that. 2,400 miles, you guys, you know, anything can happen. So I want to do whatever I can to protect anything on the road, you know. So we probably won't get to that today, but I will probably get it by tomorrow. Primarily today, I just want to concentrate on getting the brakes done. And what I've decided to do, you guys, I'm going to hold off on doing the stainless lines. I want to save that for a separate install. Right now, I just want to do the brake pads, and I don't want to waste the brake fluid. I think I'll be fine on this trip without flushing the brakes, because I do, when I swap out the stainless lines, I don't want to waste this just doing the brake pad change right now. But I think I'll be okay just until I get back, and then I'll do a separate install on doing the brake lines and flushing out the system. Only because it's crunch time now, and I don't want to do anything that's going to put me any more behind. Even though it is a simple process, I just want to spend more time installing these and flushing out the system. So today we're just going to do the brakes, and like I said, I went with the ceramics by Hawk Performance. These are the fronts, and it does come with the grease pack, but I'm going to use the Permatex. So just to show you what comes inside, these are the fronts. Comes with the cool sticker. And then for the rears, seems like the insulation for the rears are pretty simple. I don't think I even have to remove the caliper. From watching some install videos, it looks like it's just a solid pin that's holding this in place with a what looks like a bracket, and then I'll have to push the piston back in on each side. That way these will fit right back into place. So far from the forum, a gentleman posted that he's had less brake dust on his wheels using these ceramic pads from Hawk Performance. So I'm really excited about that. Just because these are black wheels and I didn't really have too much of a brake dust issue when I first got the car. But I think because now the brakes are getting pretty close to changing, maybe it's working harder. I mean, these I just cleaned and it's already got like brake dust on it, as you can see inside the barrels there. And on black wheels it really shows. So with these pads I'm really hoping it helps keep the brake dust down. But I'm also going to ceramic coat these wheels, but I won't be doing that till next year, right around springtime. Maybe I'll do it during the winter time, but like I mentioned in my other video, I'll be working on the truck. So, you know, maybe if I got some downtime or maybe I finish the truck on time, then maybe I'll start ceramic coating. But I'll look into that only because with the colder temperatures, I don't know if it's ideal to do ceramic coating because of the curing process. So if I read the temperatures and it's not within that range, then I'll wait till spring when it warms up a little bit. All right guys, so let's get to work. If you like the content, you guys, please consider subscribing. To all my subscribers out there, thank you very much for tuning in. And if you guys have any questions, please post them below. Thank you to all my subscribers out there. Let's get to work.